Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Yeah, so you might be wondering why it's so dark. It's like 8:07 p.m. here in Germany. Sorry for the delay of all those videos, but I'm here back with another one. So today I'm going to be showing you an activity I did a long time ago, and I'll show you the code, I'll explain the code, and we'll just play with it, I guess. I mean, that's basically what I do most of the time. Play around like a weirdo. So, it is called Phone Unlocker. Even the best hacker cannot beat it. So, basically, I'll first explain the code. When we run this game, it will ask, enter the magical passcode, and we have to set an answer. If the answer is unicorns are not amazing, play win point sound like so this is our secret code here, and I'm setting a winter background, and it'll say Yahoo! Your magical phone is totally unlocked. And if the answer is not unicorns are not amazing, it'll play a loose point sound too, and it will say whoops-a-daisies, and your magical phone is totally locked. So it's a simple code. So if you have any questions, you can ask it in the comment section. So instead of unicorns are not amazing, all of that stuff, maybe we could think of some other ones like marvelous Mahima ... 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here's our secret code now, because we're gonna make this easy. Deleted, but I'm not supposed to delete. That's great. Okay, let's try now. So our magical passcode is Marvelous Mahima. Okay, sorry for that. I'm doing that for thumbnail. Okay, there we go. Submit. See, and if I type in one of my classmates' name, let's do Amina Cat. Amina and Cat are whoops-a-days. That's great, isn't it? So that's one of my games that I made. It's one of the easier games. I'll do one of the harder games. So this is everything I've made. So I'll click view projects. You can see everything I've made. See everything I have made. Starting from 25. These are a lot. So let me find a fun one, because I don't have that many fun ones in this. Let's see. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze, but that's fine. Maybe let's do, here it is, project 19. This is my 19 project from White Hat Junior. I am shouting at White Hat Junior for teaching me every single coding thing I had to know to get this far in coding. So yeah. Whoa, this is a long one. So basically, here is our set. It's underwater, there's a crab, there's a squid, I think. It's a fish, those are some coins, and there's a boy that looks very bored, I guess. So first we're going to set score to 0, because who sets their score at anything other at first? Set background to underwater. So we're going to make a sprite. In coding, sprite is like a character or a thing called gold one with costume of a coin. It's going to be at this position, so if I click this key, I can keep it anywhere else. This is the position of it, x-axis and y-axis. Set gold 1 size to 40, that's 40. See if I just keep it in the middle. I can just possibly get to 111. I'm not even, see, this is where we are. So this is exactly where we're supposed to be. So then we're gonna make another gold 2 sprite with the same costume. Instead, put it somewhere else. And then we're gonna make a sprite gold 3. And this is also 40 size. And it's gonna be, I think, the regular size, like it's bigger, and it's placed at 59.47. Repeat this. So this is our repeat block here. We're gonna make a new sprite called Octopi with costume of an octopus, and it's at 200, 200. This sprite Octopi begins wandering. See? It begins doing all of that. So I have to like... So that's basically how it's wandering. There's like millions of them. And set octopi size to 50. That's a 50. Make a new sprite called Poppy with costume of a pink fish. It's at 316, 232. The sprite Poppy begins wandering. And we're going to set the size to 50. Make a new sprite called Crabba with costume at 53218. The sprite Crabba begins wandering as well. And then we're going to set the size to 50. Make a new sprite called Boy with costume at 312331. Set the size to 75 pixels. This is just like pixels or something. While the right key is pressed, move the boy 20 pixels east. While left press, move the boy 20 pixels west. While up press, move the boy 20 pixels north. And while down press, move the boy 20 pixels down. When the boy touches the fish, suppose I put that as pink fish. What the? Okay, so when the boy touches the pink fish, set score to score -1. And then the title should be score. When the boy touches gold 1, set score to +5. So then gold 1 begins shrinking. When boy touches this, oh my god, what's going on here? Oh, I understand. This is supposed to be something else. It's supposed to be pause. Here we are. So basically, it's either going to be shrinking or growing. When boy touches gold 2, set score to score +5, and then we're going to do score sprite gold 2 begins shrinking. So basically, I have to like catch these things. You may not see anything, but it seems like it's in the negatives. So I must have done something because I'm losing so badly. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so low right now. Oh my god. Even my best friend would do this. My best friend would even do better than me. My sister would do better than me. So basically, that's my second one, and that was a bigger type of code. So that's my other one. And thank you code.org. Like I'm not sponsoring anyone. Why would I do that? I'm not even close to famous. But code.org is a nice place to like do coding activities. And if you want, you can ask me some questions about like any one of these activities I'm showing you right here. You can ask, can I have the code? And I'll in one of my videos, I'll give you the code of most of them. But yeah. So maybe I'll do project 15. This one's a bit older. See? So basically, we're gonna set a cave background. See? Set active 4 to a cave boy. Will you help me learn odd numbers? If yes, please click on me. So once I click on him,